Yesterday we were discussing about divergence of A bar, B bar, and you were asked to solve divergence of C bar vector. This was expressed in spherical coordinate system. Okay, so this was an homework. So we will discuss this one once again. So we do have del dot any vector. Okay, D bar rahe, A bar rahe, B bar rahe, C bar rahe, any sort of vector. So del dot represents a dot product in between del and a vector, that is divergence of the vector. So divergence of a vector in spherical coordinate system is represented as 1 upon r square into dabba by dabba r into bracket r square dr. I am writing down the general expression first and we will then customize it for the given vector. Okay, 1 upon r sine theta dabba by dabba theta into bracket sine theta, then d theta. D theta is a component associated with a theta cap. Okay, plus 1 upon r sine theta dabba by dabba phi d phi. Okay, d phi is a component associated with a phi. So d phi is associated with a phi cap, d theta is associated with a theta cap, and dr is associated with ar cap. जो भी terms रहेंगे उसको ले लीजिए आप. Okay, so in yesterday's session we had c bar expressed as 2r cos of theta cos of phi ar cap plus r raised to half a phi cap, and we want to evaluate del dot c bar at a given point 1 comma pi by 6 comma pi by 3. Okay, so what we have in the given expression, a r component and a phi component. A theta component is missing in the given expression. So the whole term which was considering the a theta component will get vanish. Okay, because we don't have any a theta component in the given expression. So we will be left with del dot c bar is equal to, in the given expression, this complete term which is associated with a bar ar cap is dr, and this small term associated with a phi cap is d phi. So we can write down the divergent expression as 1 upon r square dabba by dabba r square into 2r cos of theta cos of phi close bracket plus 1 upon r sine theta dabba by dabba phi into r raised to half. Okay, now very interesting mathematics going over here. Let us see. Is equal to 1 upon r square. The differentiation over here talks about dabba by dabba r. So the terms in this excluding r will be constant. So we will take out the constant terms out of the partial differentiation. Those are 2 cos of theta cos of phi, and with partial differentiation we will be left with dabba by dabba r of r cube plus the next partial differentiation talks about dabba by dabba phi, and we don't have any phi term over here. So I can say that for this partial differentiation r raised to half is a constant. So we will rewrite this one as 1 upon r sine theta, take out the constant out of the partial differentiation, dabba by dabba phi, and what we have here 1 bacha hai. So I know that the differentiation, whether it is a partial or a complete differentiation of a constant value always leads to 0. So this term has a value is equal to 0. So can I say that the whole second term is vanished because the partial differentiation of a constant value is 0. एंड फॉर दिस टर्म डैबा बाय डैबा आर ऑफ आर क्यूब, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आएगा 3r². So we can write down is equal to del dot c bar is equal to 1 upon r square, let us say 2 upon r square cos of theta cos of phi into 3r square. So we do have cancellation of r square and we are left with an expression 6 cos of theta and cos of phi. Okay, and we want to evaluate this one as an point at an point 1 comma pi by 6 comma pi by 3. Here 1 is radius, pi by 6 is theta and pi by 3 is phi. Always follow the क्या कहते हैं उसको sequence r theta phi, ऐसे होता है. Okay, so we can now write down the given expression as is equal to is equal to 6 into cos of pi by 6 into cos of pi by 3, and you will have your answer here. Okay, and that answer will be in terms of coulomb per meter cube. Whenever you are going to do this calculation on calculator, make sure that your calculator is in radian mode. Okay, degree mode में नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to put your calculator in radian mode, otherwise your calculations will be wrong. ठीक है. And while after solving you will have nearly equal to 2.598. तो आपका आंसर अगर आता है 2.3 से 2.7 के बीच में, so your answer will be considered as a correct answer. Okay, so you do have that kind of liberty when you are going to solve the numerical. Everyone got this one? Del dot c bar? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How I would have solved this numerical? अगर मैं होता, अगर पढ़ा नहीं रहा होता, अगर मैंने सॉल्व किया होता, तो मैंने क्या लिखा होता? ओके, मीन्स व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू राइट डाउन इन द एग्जामिनेशन. लेट राइट डाउन दोज थिंग्स इन ब्लू कलर. ओके, सो मैंने क्या लिखा होता? डेल डॉट सी बार इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन आर स्क्वेयर डैबा बाय डैबा आर into r square dot 2r cos theta cos phi, okay, plus 1 upon r sin theta dabba by dabba phi r raised to half. ये पहली स्टेप लिख लेता था. यहां से मैंने डायरेक्ट लिखा होता कि भाई 2 cos of theta cos of phi upon r square into 3r square plus 0 is equal to 6 cos theta cos phi evaluated at certain point. Okay, इतना ही लिखा होता. मैंने ये जो इतना यहाँ पे ये स्क्रैच किया, इसका इंटीग्रेशन सॉरी डिफरेंशिएशन इज 0 एंड समथिंग समथिंग, जितना भी लिखा ना उतना नहीं लिखा होता. शॉर्टकट में कर लेता था एंड इक्वल टू आई वुड हैव एंड अप इनटू द फाइनल आंसर. So instead of having first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, and the sixth step, I would have written only 4 steps. Final answer, khatakat khatakat khalas. Okay, I am putting down the things in an explanatory way because I know that you haven't given the mathematics 3 examination, and I am not sure whether you are pretty much comfortable with the differentiation and integration. That's why every time I am putting down possibly each and every term on the paper in the recording in the lecture. Okay, let us now go for the next numerical. Write down with me. If d bar is equal to 2y square z ax cap plus 4xy ay cap plus x az cap, find first volume charge density at you will be given with a point -103. Second, flux through the charge through the you have some limits 0, x, y, z and 1, means x, y, z are varying in between 0 to 1. So this is a kind of numerical. I am going to give you only steps. Okay, I am going to give you only the steps. You are going to solve the numerical on your own. So we do have some given quantities. Given is d bar ka expression. So this indicates it is an Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinates. Okay. Then we are asked to find some quantities first. Volume charge density indicated as rho v. क्या है? At a point -103 and second is amount of flux psi. क्या है? Through 0 less than or equal to x, y, z less than or equal to 1. So we will have some formulae for it. So a formula which talks about rho v, volume charge density and electric flux density. So we do have a relation कि भाई rho v is expressed as del dot d bar, divergence theorem के बीच में ये देखा था. And second, about psi, we do have only one expression which talks about psi and the d bar is your what I will say del dot d. Let me write down the first expression which you know about is equal to closed surface integration of d bar dot ds bar, and according to divergence theorem this is nothing but del dot d bar, okay, evaluated over volume. ये क्या है? Surface, ये है volume. Why? Because we do have surface term over here and we do have volume term over here. So we will require another formula which will tell us the information about divergence of vector in Cartesian coordinate system. That is a straightforward expression dabba by dabba x of dx plus dabba by dabba y of dy plus dabba by dabba z of dz, where dx is a term associated with ax cap, dy is a term associated with ay cap, and dz is a term associated with az cap. So in the given expression, we do have, go up, okay, okay. We do have this term as dx, this term as dy, and this term is dz. Okay. So divergence, volume charge density, and we do have our amount of flux. Okay. Now we do have a solution for our numerical. So part 1. So volume charge density is expressed as del dot d bar. Therefore, evaluate del dot d bar. Okay. Evaluate del dot d bar. And after evaluating del dot d bar, you will end up into an expression 4x, which is once again to be evaluated at a point -103. So we will have therefore rho v is equal to -4. Since it is a volume charge density, it will have coulomb per meter cube unit. Okay. Then part 2. So we will have psi, amount of flux, is equal to, we can say that del dot d bar observed over the volume. Okay, del dot d bar observed over the volume. What is the value of del dot d bar? 4x. Okay, 4x. What is the volume in Cartesian coordinate system? It is dx, dy, dz. This is a volume. So we can write down this one as 4 is a constant, x dx, then integral dy, then integral dz, and all of them x, y, z varies from 0 to 1. And you will have a final value as 2 coulombs. This will be an homework for you. Actually, I solved it 80%. You have to solve 20% on your own.